Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can get your profile card on your Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, simply go ahead, first open up your Instagram app. Now I will be here in my home screen. Now I'm simply going to switch to my profile by tapping at the bottom right, and now over here you can see this kind of interface gonna pop up with my profile information. Now I simply going to tap on this share profile option right over top, and now you can see we will have originally the QR. Now if you flip it, it will simply show you the profile picture and some of the bio information that you have added. You also have information option of simply editing it according to your requirement. You can simply add new information and make your card, and now you can tap on share to copy link or download or anything that you would prefer from options given at the bottom, and share this card to your friends and family, whoever you want, with the information of your profile and the QRs to simply get to your profile information on Instagram as well. So this is basically it, but unfortunately if you're not being able to get it, then you have to simply make sure that whether your app is updated or not. This is simply a new update, so go to App Store, search Instagram, and check out whether your app is updated or not. If it's not, then you won't be able to see it. Tap on update right over here and you will be able to access the particular option. So that is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.